这几位都是市里派来的领导，咱们有事有问题向他们反映，不能在这儿闹。这么闹下去是违法的，懂不懂啊？哎，我们懂吗？什么都没所谓的啊！不让我们吃的，就是跟我们作乱，是不是？
So young. Yes. What the hell is even this? Okay. What the heck does this even mean? Wait.
鉴于雷洋同志在这次民工维权事件中工作不力、处置不当，造成不良社会影响，经市局领导研究决定，并依据公安部、公安机关实施停止执行职务和禁闭措施的规定，决定对雷洋同志执行停止执行职务的处理。
哪儿说那个？不好意思啊，魏总，咱俩不是吗？
敢举报，因祸起正，有什么事我都看啊。
Cannot understand single. What is this?
The now famous statement, sometimes you have to bend the law to please our people. You're familiar with that?
Not so familiar with that, Your Honor.
How come you're not familiar with that? May I refresh your memory?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
We were talking about, this issue of prostitution and blah, blah, blah. Hanggang dumating yung isang point where one of us made a suggestion. Sometimes we have to bend the law. Is the people. And he asked the former Secretary of Justice for affirmation. Am I correct, Mr. Secretary? The Secretary said, yes, sir. Do you agree with the affirmation of the Secretary of Justice?
I do not agree.
Thank you.
Because basically, in implementing the law, there are positions you can take, but bending the law is not one of them, Your Honor.
Hindi na lang din sinagot. Kasi sa ibang mga interview, sila sabi niya, bending the law is okay, basta wag lang breaking the law. How can you accept that kind of statement?
Breaking news! Senator Marcoleta, ginisa ang mga opisyal. Kaninong ano yan? Kaninong trademark yan? Yan ang trademark ni ni dating Secretary ng Department of Justice na si Boying Remulla. Sa kanya galing yan eh. Galing din yan kay Senator Erwin Bongo. Sometimes you have to bend the law. Wala naman talagang ganun eh. Hindi mo pwedeng i-bend ang law. No? Kasi magkaagulo ang tao. Buti na lang, itong isa sa mga opisyalis po ng Department of Justice, mga kaibigan, ay hindi po siya sumang-ayon. Muntik na talaga, no? Muntikan na talagang madulas, no? Pero at least hindi siya sumang-ayon sa dating amo na si Bonjing Remulla. Diba? Hindi mo naman talaga pwedeng gawin yun. Dahil kung gagawin po yung mga kaibigan, magkakagulo po tayo. Diba? Kaya pala nakaw lang sila ng nakaw, kurap lang sila ng kurap, walang humpay ang kanilang pagnanasan, nagpasasa sa tapan ng bayan.
Kaya na pumupunta dyan ang mga senador at congressman is by ano lang, yung voluntary. Because they have no power over them. So, ang punto spot natin dyan, nakakagulo lang po yan. Dapat ibalik na lang sa pinakamalakas na investigating body natin ngayon. Dahil open. Dapat ombudsman po yun eh. Pero ang ombudsman hindi katayo na hindi gumagawa ng public investigation. Pero unlike the Blue Ribbon Committee, nakatalit mo kahit dati kang presidente, senador, congressman ka, lahat, private company ka, lahat may jurisdiction sila.
Make sure to
Kaya
save
nagtawag at
this.
nakikinig at nanonood na
Oh,
buong bansa. Diyan na lang ibalik. Pero yung Marcoleta LED, kasi nakita naman natin, hindi naman